Hey YouTube, so today we're doing a quick unboxing and this is from Yukuki. It's an awesome cordless grass trimmer. Alright, here we go. So this company is from California. They have a couple other items. I haven't ordered them yet, but the first one I ordered was the trimmer. I figure it's the most versatile thing to have. After this I'll probably get the blower. Because the cool thing is all this is cordless, right? So it runs off one battery, and of course, one battery will be able to run. Sorry, let me cut this box open here. Okay, they really take this thing really well. So one battery, you'll be able to run multiple systems. They have like a brush trimmer. To do like brushes. They have like a pump, water pump type thing, so you could do like your pesticides and well, anyway, so this one here is the grass trimmer, weed trimmer. You could do however you wanna. Sorry, still have a lot of tape to cut here. All right, so here we go. Man, it looks pretty nice, huh? So here, oh, okay, so everything's stuck together here. So let's see. I'll take it out slowly. All right. So inside the box, you would have the registration warranty card, quick small manual. There's a 20-volt cordless grass trimmer. So the first box here will be the battery. Cool. They have a sticker to protect the wording. That's pretty cool. Just a little warning thing. So let's put this in the box. So let's see. What do you think? How much charge do we have? I say full. Let's give that a try. Yep, full battery. Out of the box, full battery. That's pretty cool. Alright, second box, I assume will be a charger, yeah. DC 20-volt charger. So, to charge it, you just slide it in. Okay, it's not really a clicking noise, it's more like just a slide in connected. Okay, cool. That's very easy. I'll just plug it into the wall right now anyways while we put the rest of this together. There's no status light of the charging, but I guess maybe because it's full, there's no light. We'll just leave that plugged in for now. Okay, so now we have to assemble this. So the cool thing is this is all built into one. All in one. It's a telescope. So if you're really tall, let's see here. So this is to unlock. Okay, so we do unlock. There we go. And from there, we can extend it. That's about another, I don't know, what's that, about maybe almost a foot. Okay. And then here's the pivot. Depending on what angle you want. You can also use this to decrease. Okay. That's pretty cool. So the handle will go here. The battery will go right here. yeah, the grip is nice. This is plastic, this is aluminum. Hard plastic, plastic. There's kind of like a guard. And you can also use it to float or a guard against like the fence. All right, so far it's looking really nice. All right, so let's put this little protective cover here. Oh look, it's already pre-installed. So this is like an automatic feeder. Oh, okay, so you need to screw this in. And I don't know if I have my screwdriver with me. I sure do not. Okay, so well, this video, they put the screws right here. So once you want to put the shield on, just take out the screws and then you put the shield on and then you screw it into place. So let's at least do the handle, because that I can do right now. And it's pretty darn easy to put on. Just kind of put it where you want it, right there. Put the screw in on this side. On this side is where you have the locking wheel. Oh, there you go. And that's pretty darn easy. So you can change the position and just tighten it to lock it in. And this gives you another holding point, so it's not as heavy. So it's a two-handed. All right, so here, let me move the protective cover out of the way. Let's take this off the charger. Slide this into place. Here, a nice click. Again, here's the battery status, full charge. Now, let's give this a try. So, like all things, there's a little kind of like a safety button here, right? So if you squeeze, it won't turn on. So you push on the safety, or I guess push off the safety, and then you squeeze. Oh, that's very strong. You hear it? So, one more thing. Here, let me go ahead and take out the battery. This is for when you're really cutting grass or trimming the grass. You put this on, and let's see here. I think I have to extend this first. Okay, extend that. Now this should slide into place. As you can see, you could adjust it however you want, because there's kind of like a rail here on the sides. We can kind of mount it in different angles. So I'll do straight on like that for this video. So just put it on, and then make sure the screw's there. And just like previously, put on the tightening nut. And then you can adjust the wheel how you want it and where you want it. But I'll just leave it as is here. I think that would be a pretty good angle right there. So let's try it like that. So this one, let's put it at this angle here. So this is the angle you will have when you want to trim the grass. The wheel here is not really spinning as quick as I want it. There you go. So let's angle this a little bit more. So think that'll be more the angle you want when you're trimming the grass. Just bring this guard up. And it'll be about that angle right here. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's bring this head back up. It's a very easy button to rotate this. I'll rotate this out. I'll take that out for now. And let's compact this for storage. Let's see, that gives you a little more. And here, let's unscrew this a little bit, collapse that. And as you can see, it's a very small system for when you want to store it. Let's go ahead and leave the wheel on and compact that down. So let's push this out again. Slide the wheel on, I guess, for storage. Let's try it like this way. Sorry guys. So it's a little learning curve here. There you go. Storage. Alright. So as you can see, that's a pretty small system to hang in your garage. Keep it out of the way. And again, I'll do a separate video on the blower once I get it. And as I mentioned before, here is the battery that would be able to use on both the blower and the trimmer. As for stats, let's see here, let me read it off real quick. So this is a 20 volt, 2 amp battery system. It has a 12-inch cutting diameter. And of course, the pivot head that I mentioned earlier. With the adjustment handle. Right here, you can adjust it however you want. Telescopic pole, so you can adjust it for how long, tall you are. It makes it easier for you to do the trimming or the grass, the weeding, whatever you want to do. And of course, adjustable wheel. Basically here, I'll just show you this like that. That'll give you a better example of what I'm trying to tell you here. But it makes it very easy. And see, here's the other options that you can get. Get the blower, and this is what I have right here. Here's another trimmer. And this one here is kind of like a pump so you can spray. And lithium ion battery, which is awesome. And they say the charge will last about 30 minutes. So that's more than enough time for you to trim the grass around your yard. But yeah, if you have any comments, questions, leave it below. Yeah, the quality in the build of this is really nice. Everything's very snug. Like I said, here's the handle. You want to adjust it however you want. It's very easy and fast. And here's the grip. Very nice texture. As I mentioned, here's the safety here. So you can't activate it on accident. Alright. And again, here's a warranty card. Let's see, what else does it say here? Nope, that's about it. I assume it will come with a 1-year warranty. Whatever we say there. Here, let's open the manual real quick and see if we have any Warranty information here. Safety warnings, product description, troubleshoot, intended usage. So it's not really written anywhere for warranty information. You can pause if you want to see the instruction manual. But I don't see warranty information here. And see, here's how you open it and add a new spool. Very quick and easy. Troubleshoot. Oh, here we go. On the back page, where it should be. Here we go. Warranty limited to 90 days from date of original purchase, retail purchase. All right, so this actually only comes with a 3-month warranty. So basically open it, make sure everything's working. Make sure the battery's good. And as you can see, this battery came fully charged, so we know it's a good battery. And yeah, make sure everything functions and make sure there's no broken parts. And as you can see, this is really nicely built, so there won't be any broken parts. I'll do a quick check right now while I'm videoing. Yeah, everything's good. There's no scuffs. As you can tell, this was an open box, which is a good thing. You can see in my previous videos, I do get a lot of open boxes from electronics to other random things, but this one here is brand new in the box. Everything looks good. So I have another 2 months to make sure everything's good, but I'll take this outside, run it through its paces, and we'll see how it goes. But from here, you can see everything's nice quality built, no defects. I did a function check already. I did a battery check already. And everything looks good. All right. So again, this is from a company called Yukuki out of California. Comes with a 3-month warranty. Everything was really quick and easy to put together. Out of the box, what took me maybe 5 minutes if I wasn't making this video and chit-chatting too much. But to put, the handle, the wheel, that was on really fast. The battery was already fully charged, so you could pretty much open it, take it out of the box, and you can start doing yard work within 8 minutes. So again, company's Yukuki. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave it below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any other comments about it, have you gotten something similar to this? If you have any questions, let me know. All right? Again, this is from Yukuki. And I'll leave it there.